ताल्लुक से एक मीटिंग बुलाने के लिए, ताकि शहर के सारे एमएलएज अपने तजावीज़ रख सकते हैं, जिसके ज़रिए बोल सकते हैं कि हम देख रहे हैं सर कि वेर एवर वी वांट टू कम्यूट, there is so much of traffic jams. For hours and hours we are getting stuck in the traffic. We need to create some alternate roads, parallel roads, underpasses, flyovers, metro train, bus, rapid transit system. And moreover, sir, this traffic congestion is also causing a lot of pollution. तो इस ताल्लुक से भी मैंने अपनी तकरीर में कहा, कोई जवाब नहीं मिला, और मुझे बेहद खुशी हुई और होती है सबसे पहले कि चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब ने नौजवान नस्ल को ड्रग्स की लानत के जरिए तबाह व बर्बाद किया जा रहा है। इस ताल्लुक से चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब ने पहले कहा था कि ड्रग्स पे हम करेंगे। तो मैंने अपनी तकरीर में ये बात भी कही थी कि ड्रग्स को रोकने के लिए जो इंटीरियर एरियाज हैं, जैसे स्लम्स हैं, so we can have some outpost, police outpost over there, sir, because that is very important. Usually these drug menace and this ganja and all these things are happening in the poorest of the poorest localities and in the slums. So at least if we have an outpost and checking, and also we need to check all the pan shops, sir, pan dabbas jo hai schools ke paas mein, unko bhi we need to regulate, so that is not is happening, sir. Lot of youth are getting spoiled with this, sir. Sir, I have also spoken and I have been repeatedly been speaking about, and Honorable CM Saab also knows about this. This is an issue regarding the fruit market, sir. So fruit market, sir, zamane se main bol raha hu, sir. Sir, I have no, without any hesitation, I would say, sir. Sir, when I spoke in the assembly before the election, general elections of these general elections, sir, then the Chief Minister KCR Saab had said, Akbar Saab, food market de denge, kar denge. Sir, he announced that he'll give the temporary fruit market there, and at the same time, he issued a GO, announced, and then uske baad mein kya kare, sir? Uske baad mein लोगों को कोर्ट में भी जाए, एक तरफ वो काम करते थे, दूसरी तरफ से रुकाते थे। तो ऐसी काम करें सर कि वो फ्रूट मार्केट नहीं हुआ, वो चीफ में उस वक्त के चीफ मिनिस्टर के एश्योरेंस पे वो सारे फ्रूट मार्केट के लोगों ने करोड़ ऑफ रुपीस आपस में जमा करके दुकानें बना लिए, शॉप बना लिए, सर कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, सर। एंड ऑल्सो I had welcomed this integrated educational campus, sir, and in that I had proposed that please relax the regulation of 25 acres for this integrated educational campus as far as Hyderabad city is concerned, sir. Sir, we do not have ample space over here. We cannot take the school's construction, and I had given a good suggestion, sir. I said that there are many educational campuses in the city, sir. In the city, existing educational campuses, which the extent of the land in those campuses are more than 10 acres, 15 acres. We can ask the Hyderabad collector to give a proposal and identify these educational campuses, existing educational campuses of more than 10 acres. And the government can, take up this and have a plan, and we can take integrated campuses in these educational campuses, sir. Sir, I have also requested for land use जो change करने के लिए फलकनुमा में, सर, ये educational campus के लिए, अगर आप वहाँ पे फलकनुमा में 2 bedroom दिए थे, सर, अगर उसको land use अगर आप change कर देंगे तो वहाँ पर भी वो आ सकता है, sir. At the same time, I have also requested for the release of the scholarship pending amount, sir. Whether it is SC, ST, BC, the financial year is coming to a closure. I hope that some amount would be cleared, sir, which will help many educational institutions, sir. Sir, I have also spoken about the scholarship, sir. Sir, I have, without any hesitation, sir, I would like to say that there are many corrections which are required to be done in the scholarships, sir, reimbursement. Like, sir, I'll give you one example, sir. Sir, if I am economically backward, I have to give an economically backward certificate with which I'll get a fees reimbursement. What is happening, sir, if a student is admitted in a course, like first year, he submits the economically backward certificate. Second year, third year, fourth year or fifth year, like MBBS and engineering, fourth year, they do not submit, sir, automatically the scholarship is renewed. Sir, it should not be renewed in that way, sir. Every year a student should submit an economically backward certificate, sir. This year I was economically backward. Like, I would like to give an example, sir. For MBBS student, sir, we are supposed to pay stipend, sir. Sir, and what is the stipend, sir? 26 and 55,000 for postgraduate. If you calculate the 3-year stipend, sir, what is the limit, sir? What is the limit, sir, for scholarship, sir? आप इनका देख लीजिए, 55,000 एक स्टूडेंट ले रहा है, तो at the end of the year, how much is he getting? And still his, sir, one side he takes a stipend, the second side, the fees is reimbursed by the government. If you have to calculate, sir, a student is gathering lakhs of rupees and you know, just leaving, sir. So there are many corrections which needs to be corrected, sir. I have been screaming and shouting, sir. And I have also spoken about Arogya Shri, sir. Sir, I was expecting the government to be considerate and would reply on this, sir. It's a very sensitive issue, sir. As Honorable CM Saab says that for the youth, this drugs is a menace, sir. Sir, at the same time, sir, every family is seeing their dear one, close one, suffering from cancer, sir. Sir, in Arogya Shri, we need to have some few corrections for a cancer patient, sir. Sir, earlier, sir, they used to have a chemotherapy. Chemotherapy they used to give, sir. Now they are giving immunotherapy also. Sir, immunotherapy, sir, one injection is costing 2,40,000. And you know, sir, Government of India is giving some subsidy rates. Yes, they give some few injections free, sir. One cancer patient has to go through some 9 sessions or 16 sessions, sir. Sir, you imagine, sir, in every session, if they have to take one injection, I'm talking about just one injection, sir, which is costing 2,40,000. We know that that cancer patient is going to die one fine day. Sir, we need to help them, sir. Sir, we need to correct the Arogya Shri. I've also spoken about the CCU, sir. Sir, earlier, sir, on the representation of MIM and my representation, sir, the dialysis patients were provided with a pension, sir. With a pension, sir. So now the dialysis patients are not being given that pension, sir. Again, I would say, sir, a kidney patient suffers, and he leaves this world, sir. Sir, we need to help, sir. Sir, I always say that I had a lot of regard and respect for the great leader, sir, who's no more, Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy, sir. Because he was the person who got this Arogya Shri, sir, and I was also part of it, sir. I feel very proud about it. Sir, I feel very proud. And in last 10 years, right from the day the Telangana had been formed, sir, I always remembered Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy, sir. And I want to come on record and say this, sir, I'm not afraid of anybody. Mr. KTR used to always come and tell me, क्या अकबर भाई आप हर वक्त राजशेखर रेड्डी साहब का नाम लेते आप, क्या हर वक्त आप उनका नाम लेते उनको याद करते, कैसी तकलीफ दी है साहब, हमारे स्टेट को ऐसा करे, ऐसा लेके चले गए. But sir, I would say I am always grateful to those great leaders who have done great work for the state, sir. And Arogya Shri is one of the wonderful work what Rajshekar Reddy has done, sir. सर ये आरोग्य श्री के लिए सर प्लीज डू सम करेक्शन सर. ये गरीब है सर, इसमें सीसीयू सर, क्रिटिकल केयर पेशेंट सर, वी आर रिएम्बर्सिंग ओनली 10,000 सर, बट द एक्चुअल नो प्रॉफिट नो लॉस इफ वी सी सर 23,000 rupees a day is spent, ventilator charges, oxygen charges, doctor charges, nursing charges, bed charges, and then also the medication दवाएं जो देते हैं सर. What are we reimbursing, sir? We are reimbursing only 11,000 rupees, sir. So ये health में, sir, if a government takes care of health and education with a pension to the old age, I think this will really help the poorest of poor people, sir. Sir, and about old city, sir, road widening I had mentioned, sir. रोड वाइडनिंग को 100 करोड़ देने के लिए बोला सर. मैं चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन के बारे में बोला सर. सर एक 200 करोड़ दीजिए सर. मैं बूढ़ा हो रहा हूं, ज़ईफ हो रहा हूं, नौजवान था सर. आई वाज 26 years old when I got elected. That time I was told Charminar will change, Charminar will change. Now I am in 50s, sir. I am changing, but the Charminar is not changing, sir. सर मैं प्लीज सर आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा सर, चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन सर प्रोजेक्ट के लिए नए पुल के पास 2 ब्रिजेस, सालारजंग के पास 1 ब्रिज और पुराने पुल के पास 1 ब्रिज, ये पूरे हॉकर्स को वहां पे आप लाकर डालकर सर चारमीनार के पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन को अच्छा करिए सर. आई हैव आल्सो स्पोकन अबाउट टूरिज्म पॉलिसी सर. नथिंग हैज बीन सेड. गोलकुंडा फोर्ट के बारे में, 7 टूम्स के बारे में, ट्रैम के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं बोले सर उस ताल्लुक से भी. अब मैं ज्यादा अगर चीखा तो बोलते अकबर साहब गुस्से में खिलाफ जा रहे. मैं खिलाफ नहीं जा रहा हूं सर, मैं काम चाहता हूं सर. We want the work to be done, sir. We want old city to change. Everybody has, given us wonderful dreams. They showed us lovely. जैसे हमारे हैदराबाद में बोलते हैं साहब, वो उर्दू में बोलते हैं, हथेली में जन्नत दिखाना. सब हथेली में जन्नत दिखाए, जन्नत 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 बोले, बताए चले गए, सर नहीं हुआ. But sir, I am very thankful that Honorable Chief Minister Saab had laid the foundation for the Usmania Hospital. Sir, I thank you very much, sir. Sir, at the same time, sir, Nizamiya TB College Hospital is there. 90 crores we are asked for. Sir, one small NOC, sir. One small NOC is required from the GHMC hospital. GHMC for a construction of hospital. एक NOC देने के लिए हमको सता रहे हैं सर, उसमें याकुतपुरे में देने के लिए. सर, एजुकेशनल कैंपसेस के लिए फलकनुमा में है सर, वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट सेंटर्स हैं. सर, आई रिक्वेस्ट सर कि ये जो इश्यूज मैं उठाया हूं, इसके ऊपर सर अगर तवज्जो नहीं देंगे सर तो कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता सर. एंड लास्टली सर, मैं ऑनरेबल सीएम साहब से ये रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा सर, व्हेन चंद्रबाबू नायडू साहब वाज द चीफ मिनिस्टर सर, that time, and when Mr. Rajshekar Reddy Saab was there, sir, in my constituency, sir, I was successful, and I thank the then Chief Minister Saab also, sir, कि उन्होंने JNNURM में housing दिए थे, sir. JNNURM, sir. Housing was made, sir. Sir, it has been 20 years, sir. Those buildings are not maintained, sir. Sir, on my representation, the erstwhile government had sanctioned 100 crores for the maintenance of those buildings, sir. सर, कुकटपल्ली में है सर, ये नामपल्ली में है, ओल्ड सिटी में मेरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में है, और ये पूरे शहर में JNNURM के पुराने घर है सर. 20 बरस हो गया सर, डिलैपिलेटेड कंडीशन में है सर. सर, we should take this initiative of maintaining these houses. 100 crores is our sanction sir. अगर 20 crores भी अगर आप दे देंगे तो सिटी में जो पुराने घर हैं सर वो होगा सर. सेकेंडली मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सर, ये 2 bedroom हाउसिंग सर. अब मेरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में सर, वी वर एबल टू कंस्ट्रक्ट सम हाउसेस सर. ऑलमोस्ट आई थिंक सम 2,000 houses are ready sir, which we already selected. Inquiry has been done and allotted to the allottees sir, but they haven't been allowed to take the possession sir. अब बोल क्या रहे हैं सर, वो मूसी में जो साफ सफाई हो रही है, कर रहे हैं, मूसी प्रोजेक्ट को जो ले रहे हैं, वहां पे जो लोग मुतासिर होंगे उनको लाकर घर देंगे सर. जिनको आप सेलेक्ट कर लिए हैं, जिनका इंक्वायरी हो गया है, कलेक्टर में नाम आ गया है सर, उनको तो 2 bedroom दे दीजिए सर, उनको दे दीजिए. मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है सर. ये हैदराबाद सिटी के इश्यूज हैं सर, ओल्ड सिटी के भी इश्यूज हैं सर. स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में मैं बोला सर आपको, कुली कुतुब शाह का हमारा स्टेडियम है सर, उसको अच्छा करिए. ये LB स्टेडियम है सर, इसको अच्छा करिए सर, स्पोर्ट्स के फैसिलिटीज के लिए. और स्विमिंग पूल है ओल्ड सिटी में सर, वो स्विमिंग पूल को इंटरनेशनल नॉर्म्स पे लेकर आकर